Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. So as you could probably tell by the title, in this video we are doing a POV photography video of my BMW E46. First of all, we are going to go visit a car park, see if there's any snow left, because the snow has been melting. So if there's some snow, maybe we can get some drifting as well in this video. If that doesn't work out, I have a couple of other locations planned around in the area that are closed off so I don't get rain all over me and the camera. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see, we just made it to the first location, which is the car park. We do have some snow, as you can see behind me, so we will try to drift around in a few minutes. First of all, I'm going to put the GoPro on my chest. We are going to get some POV photos and I'll throw them up on the screen, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Sony A7 IV, I hope you can see it here, with the Sigma 24-70 lens. I do have a CPL and VND filter on, 2-in-1. It's a K&F concept CPL and VND filter. So I recently bought the camera, I'm going to be testing it out. I have my BMW 320i 2.2 litre petrol engine. That is the car that I'm going to be taking the photos of today, so any photos that I will take and that are good, I will upload them right on the screen. Right after each photo, I'm checking if it's in focus as well, because I'm only taking one photo. I don't have it on burst. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to go through this. Right, it's a bit overexposed, but we can fix that in process. Let's get a nice close-up shot of the BMW badge here with the grills, maybe. Right, that looks like it's going to be good quality. Let's try to get some further away shots as well. This angle looks really good as well. Yeah, that looks really nice. Maybe you can see that. Move to the right a bit more. Alright, let's get some back shots and then we are out of here. Alright, I think that's it for this location. I'm gonna get in the car and go to the next location. Okay, so we're gonna try to drift around a bit. We got some photos now. I'm gonna try drift around, but there is more ice than snow here, so I don't know if anything is gonna come out from this. maybe I get some nice clips. If not, we'll just move straight on to the next location. Yeah, let's go. Second gear. I hope I didn't just splash him. There's literally no traction whatsoever. Let's get out of here. Alright, so we've just made it to the second location. I'm going to change my lights to show only the rings around the lights. Going to turn the car off. We won't be here for a long time. I just want to get a couple of shots and then we will move on to another location. I don't want to make this video 20 minutes long because not many people are going to watch it. So I'm just gonna grab a few photos and leave. Alright, so here we're starting off with shutter speed 100, ISO 400 and F2.8. Gotta grab a few rear shots. Again, we have a little puddle to the right here. I might be able to use that to an advantage in a few minutes. Grab a few shots from the back here. Let's get a bit lower. Hopefully I don't fall. Right. Let's get a nice side shot from below here. Let's get a wide angle. And then try to zoom in a bit as well. 35mm should be good. Let's get a wheel shot. Let's get a bit lower so we can see some snow in the photo. Is it in focus? Yes, it's in focus. Alright, let's grab the rear as well. Yeah, that looks good. Let's get nice and low here. Alright, let's use this Sony flip screen to an advantage. Alright. Some front shots as well, like before. Usually when I'm taking photos, I don't have any photos in mind. Any particular photos in mind that I want to take. I just kind of go with the flow, let's say. And whatever happens, happens. Alright, so I'm going to try a wider angle. Even closer. I don't really think these shots are any good, to be honest. I'll still give them a quick edit and throw them up on the screen. Alright, let's move on to 50mm. I usually prefer using the viewfinder, but this time I want to capture the camera screen in the video on the GoPro. So I'm using the screen instead of the viewfinder. Nice and crisp. I probably mentioned before I'm using the 24-70 f2.8 Sigma lens, and it's my first lens that I bought with this camera in the first place, and it seems to be really good. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I decided to buy it because it's like more of a overall best lens that you can get, that you can shoot anything with. I didn't want a prime lens because I'd have to buy a few prime lenses, but the 24-70 seems to cover most of the photos that I take anyway. The next lens I will want to buy is probably the Sigma 70-200 or the Sony 70-200. I still have to see what the budget is going to be for that lens, because the Sony one is actually really expensive. Let's try get some wider shots. I don't usually take wide shots, I like to zoom in more, but we'll try it out, see how it goes anyway. Maybe here we will try to get some interior shots, 1 or 2 before we go. I'm gonna drop the window down, maybe 2 here. Right, let's get a shot off the steering wheel first, and then the shift knob with the steering wheel. Focus on the steering wheel. Let's check these out. Yeah, they seem to be nice and crisp. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe. If you want to leave a comment with some video ideas or some tips on how I can improve these videos, make sure to do that. I will definitely reply. I'm gonna leave my Instagram on the screen here and in the description, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. I will upload these photos from today onto Instagram, so if you want to have a look at them on Instagram, go ahead. There is more videos coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.